Let x be a random variable with probability density function fx, and we have to find the value of expectation of x, variance of x, and this probability. Okay, so starting with the expectation of x, it is also called the mean of the distribution. So mean is mu, which is expectation of x. It is defined as minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx dx for continuous distribution. Okay, here function is defined for different values of x, so we have to split the integral into minus infinity to 0 x fx, 0 to 1 x fx, 1 to infinity x into fx dx. Okay, the value of these two integrals is 0 because functional value is 0 from minus infinity to 0, and this is also 0. Only one integral survive, which 0 to 1 x into fx is 6x into 1 minus x dx. This is 6 is constant, integration from 0 to 1, so this will become x square minus x cube dx. After integrating, it will become 6 times x cube divided by 3 minus x4 divided by 4, limits from 0 to 1. So upper limit 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, lower limit 0 minus 0. So this will become 6 times, taking LCM 12, 4 minus 3. So this will become 6 times 1 by 12. It will become half. So expectation of x is, which is mu, is 1 half. Okay, this is our expectation. Now find the value of variance. So variance of random variable x is defined as variance sigma square is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Okay, to calculate the variance we have to calculate expectation of x square. So expectation of x square will be integration from minus infinity to plus infinity x square fx dx. So again, only one integral survive, which is from 0 to 1, so we can split this integral from minus infinity to 0 x square fx dx, from 0 to 1 x square fx dx, plus 1 to infinity x square fx dx. So values of these two integral is 0, again from the same fact, because functional value is defined as 0 from in these two intervals. So expectation of x is x square is 0 to 1 x square into function is 6x 1 minus x dx. Again 6 is constant, out of the integral 0 to 1 x cube minus x4 dx. Now we have to calculate the integration of this function. So e of x square will be 6 is constant, x4 by 4 minus x5 by 5, limits are 0 to 1 again 6 times. So it will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 upper limit minus lower limit is 0 minus 0. So this will be 6 times 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, taking LCM. So expectation of x will be 6 times 5 minus 4 divided by 20. So it will be 6 over 20. So expectation of x square is 6 divided by 20. Okay. Now for variance we have to calculate sigma square. So variance sigma square, which is expectation of x square minus ex of whole square. Put the values of ex square and ex. It will be 6 by 20, and value of ex is half square. 20 minus 1 by 4. Taking LCM, it will be 20. 6 minus 5 4 is 20. So 5, it will be 1 over 20. So variance of the distribution is sigma square is 1 divided by 20. So this is our variance. Now we have to solve the third part with 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma. So first I am calculating mu minus 2 sigma. So mu is 1 half minus 2 times sigma is if sigma square is 20, so then sigma will be 1 over root 20, and it can be written as 1 over root 4 times 5, so it will be 2 root 5. So putting the values of sigma 2 root 5, 2 get cancelled with 2, mu plus 2 sigma, it will be 1 half plus 1 by root 5. Okay, now so this will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5 x 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5. We have to integrate in this interval. So probability that x lies between in this interval will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5 to 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5. So fx dx. So put the values of function, it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5 to 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5, 6x 1 minus x dx. So value of this integral is 6 is constant, and this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5, 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5, x minus x square dx. Integrate it. 6 x square by 2 minus x cube divided by 3 after simplifying it by taking LCM. So 6 times 3x square minus 2x cube, lower limit divided by 6, or lower limit is 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5, 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5, 6 cancel with the 6, and this integral, this probability is, I have to put the value upper limit, so it will be 3 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 square minus 2 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 cube. This is upper limit, minus lower limit is 3 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5 square minus 2 times 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by root 5 cube. Okay, now we have to solve this integral. I am collecting the term with the square. This term has a square, this term has a square. So I am collecting the term with the square and cube separately. Okay, so this integral, this value is 3 is constant, common, 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 square minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5 square minus 2, taking minus 2 common, so it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 cube minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by root 5 cube. Now using the identities a plus a square minus b square, it will be a plus b into a minus b, and using here identity a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Using this identity, the value of this expression will be, so using these formulas, it will be 3 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5, adding these two expressions and subtracting these two. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5. Now move to the second term. It will be 2 times. I have to subtract these two expressions. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5. Now in bracket a square. A square means 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5 square plus multiply these two. 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 5, 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5, squaring of second term. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 5 square. Now simplify this expression. These two terms get cancelled. These two terms get cancelled. This also in the next expression, next equation. So it will be half plus half is 1. So it will be 2 times root 5. Okay. So minus 2. So it will be 2 over root 5 bracket. Square of this by using formula a plus b whole square. So 1 by 4, 1 by 5 plus 2 times 1 by 2 into 1 by root 5. This is a square b square plus 2ab. Plus here we can use the identity a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Plus here we can use a minus b whole square. So it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 times 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 root 5. So terms are also get cancelled here. These two terms, this 1 by 5. So after simplifying this, it will be 3 to just 6 by root 5 minus 2 times 2 4 over root 5. So this expression is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So it will become 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So this expression is 6 over root 5. Multiplying this 4 get cancelled. So 3 over root 5 minus 4 over 5 root 5. 6 minus 3 is 3 over root 5 minus 4 over 5 root 5. Taking LCM, it will be 5 root 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 4. So after solving it, it will be 11 over 5 root 5. So probability of mu minus 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma will be 11 over 5 root 5. So this is our final answer.